Hello everyone, it's your friend, and I'm here to talk about something that many of us see on our skin. I'm talking about blackheads. What are these little dark spots, you ask? Well, blackheads are actually small bumps that show up on your skin. They often like to appear on your nose, your chin, or even your forehead. Lots of people, young and old, can get them. They might look a bit like tiny specks of dirt, but they are something different. It is very common to have them, so you are not alone if you see them on your face. So why do these little blackheads decide to visit our skin? It all starts with tiny openings on your skin called pores. Sometimes these pores can get filled up or clogged. What fills them up? Usually it is a mix of dead skin cells, which our skin naturally sheds, and an oily substance called sebum. Sebum is the natural oil your skin makes to keep itself soft. When too much oil and too many dead skin cells get together inside a pore, they form a plug. Are you ready for our first quick hack to help with those blackheads? Blackheads can be quite stubborn and annoying, but with the right ingredients, you can tackle them effectively at home. This one is a zesty and refreshing mask using lemon and sea salt. These two ingredients work wonders together, providing both exfoliation and astringent properties. It is especially good for areas like your nose, where blackheads often gather. The combination of lemon and sea salt helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. The great thing about this remedy is that it uses simple ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. No need for expensive products or a trip to the store. For this zesty mask, you will need just 3 things. It's quick, easy, and very effective. First, get 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Sea salt is a natural exfoliant that helps to scrub away dead skin cells and impurities. Next, you will need half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which helps to brighten the skin and tighten pores. Finally, you will need 1 teaspoon of plain water to help mix it all together into a paste. Water helps to dilute the mixture slightly, making it easier to apply. Mix these ingredients well and apply the paste to your skin. Make sure the mixture is well blended to ensure even application. Rub in small circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes, then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This gentle massage helps to stimulate blood flow and enhance the mask's effectiveness. Rinse with warm water, splash with cold water, and pat dry. The warm water helps to remove the mask, while the cold water closes your pores, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. If your skin is a little bit sensitive, or if you prefer a milder approach, then our second quick hack is perfect for you. Sensitive skin can be tricky to manage, but with the right ingredients, you can soothe and nourish it effectively. This hack is not only gentle, but also incredibly easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. This one is a lovely, gentle scrub made with oatmeal and plain yogurt. Both of these ingredients are known for their calming properties and can help to reduce redness and irritation. Oatmeal is known for being very kind to the skin, and yogurt is wonderfully creamy and soothing. Oatmeal contains saponins, which are natural cleansers that remove dirt and oil from the pores. Yogurt, on the other hand, is rich in lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it smooth and soft. This combination works to clean your pores without being too harsh. It's perfect for those days when your skin needs a little extra TLC without the risk of over-exfoliating. You will need 2 tablespoons of oatmeal and 3 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Make sure to use plain yogurt without any added sugars or flavors, as these can irritate the skin. Mix these ingredients together until you have a soft, slightly thick paste. The consistency should be easy to spread but not too runny. Gently spread the mixture all over your face, or just on the areas where you have blackheads. Be sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Leave it to work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, you can relax and let the ingredients do their job. Rinse the scrub off thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to remove all traces of the mixture to avoid any residue. Pat your skin dry gently with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing your face, as this can cause irritation. Because this scrub is so gentle, you can use it a couple of times a week if you like. Regular use can help maintain clear, smooth skin without causing any damage or irritation. Enjoy your refreshed and soothed skin. Our third quick hack involves 2 wonderfully natural ingredients: honey and milk. We're going to make some do-it-yourself cleansing strips. You need 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of milk. Combine them in a small microwave-safe bowl and heat for 5 to 10 seconds. Stir well and ensure the mixture is warm, not hot. Apply a thin layer of the mixture to your skin where you have blackheads. Place a thin cotton strip over the mixture and let it dry for about 20 minutes. Once dry, carefully peel it off. Wash your face with cool water to remove any residue and to help close your pores. You can repeat this as needed. Enjoy your smoother complexion. Ready for a hack with a little bit of spice? Our fourth quick fix uses cinnamon powder and lemon juice to create a paste that can help tackle those clogged pores. You will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them together to form a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer directly onto the areas with blackheads. Let the paste sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Be careful to avoid the delicate skin around your eyes and mouth. Always do a patch test first, as cinnamon and lemon can cause irritation for some people. This combination aims to help clear out blackheads and leave your skin feeling smoother. Enjoy the aromatic way to care for your skin. Our fifth and final quick hack is a wonderfully soothing and effective scrub using green tea and sugar. Brew 1 green tea bag in 1/3 cup of hot water and let it cool. Take 2 tablespoons of the brewed tea and mix with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Optionally, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir until you have a grainy paste. Apply the paste to your damp face, focusing on areas with blackheads. Rub in small circular motions for a minute or 2. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Use this scrub once or twice a week for best results. We have explored some wonderful and easy home remedies for blackheads, which can be a great addition to your skincare routine. These remedies are not only simple to make, but also use natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin. But remember that taking care of your skin every day is also very important for keeping it clear and healthy. Daily habits play a crucial role in maintaining the results you achieve with these remedies. Aim to cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to blackheads. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, choosing the right cleanser can make a big difference in how your skin feels and looks. Try to avoid touching your face too often with your hands. Our hands come into contact with many surfaces throughout the day, and touching your face can transfer dirt and bacteria to your skin. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Staying hydrated and eating nutritious foods can help your skin stay healthy and glowing from the inside out. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare and managing blackheads. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to adjust and respond to the treatments. Incorporate these home remedies or other skincare practices into your routine regularly. Regular exfoliation and treatment can help keep your skin clear and prevent blackheads from forming. Pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust accordingly. Everyone's skin is different, so it's important to listen to your skin's needs and make changes as necessary. Celebrate the small improvements you see along the way. Every step towards clearer skin is a victory, and acknowledging these changes can keep you motivated. Keep up the wonderful effort and enjoy your journey to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Remember, skincare is not just about looking good, but also about feeling good and taking care of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing skincare hacks.